Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will be talking about the body of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and what you get with this camera. Actually, of course, there is multiple or many videos for this camera talking about everything in the menu and deep dive in the settings, and this is the playlist of get to know your gear better. So as you see, this is the camera. This is from this side. You get the power button and you need to press it 3 seconds to start up the camera. Here is of course the door to the as you see here, to the USB type C and also to the card reader. You can see the compatible card reader on the, of course, the website of the Insta360. Here, this is the face of the camera. This is here is the so in this place here is the mic, and you can take this off and replace it with a standard one. This one is actually comes also as a standard in the package itself, and you can use it when you are outside with the windy, of course, or you are of course riding a bike or a motor. And as you see here, Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So there will be no trick, or someone can trick you, tell you this is the second version while it's the first version. You need to be sure about that. Here is also the difference about from the first version. The light here is different. I believe the screen also is a little bigger. This one also, it's not in this shape, so it's more actually as a square, so it's from the inside it's a little bit different. This one also you can take it out and replace the lens itself, so they just fixed the first problem, because a lot of people actually talked about this in the first version. And of course you can so as you see here, you can also take this one to clean the lens, and on the right in the front, on the front screen, you can see the settings and how much charge you still have. I like actually to put a tape on the front screen, because I don't like to see it or someone see it when I'm just filming outside. From this side, actually, you can take out the battery, take off the battery, and of course you need to press it like that and pull it down, and then you can open it and then take out the battery by just pulling off this tape here, or you can of course just secure it and lock it down. Of course, the screen, you can open the screen. As you see here is behind the screen the information about it, and you can open up all the screen. The screen itself, it's big, and I like it also so much because it gives you the flexibility actually to open it, and when you are filming you can of course open it and see yourself directly, because there is no footage here will be of course shown. From the top of the camera here, you can see the record button, as you see here. Also, I believe this is the mic of the camera, because you can see that clear. No, sorry, the mic is here, but this one actually maybe for the pressure. I don't know why this here actually, to be honest. So and that's it. Of course, here from the down of the camera, you can of course replace the mount of the camera with something else as a third-party accessories. Here you have this, also the speakers, I believe, and that's it. So the camera weight around actually 154 gram, about something like that, of course with a battery in it. So if you are interested to know more about this camera before you buy it, you can see the rest of the videos on the channel. If you like this video, please give it like, share, subscribe, and I will see you of course with the next video. Bye bye.